Hi everyone, here is a short video showing you how to create a Desmos polygraph using pictures imported as the suspects rather than creating graphs. So to create your polygraph, once you're signed into Desmos, go to Custom, and when I say Desmos I mean teacher.desmos. And once you've clicked Custom, you have these options at the top to create a new polygraph or a new activity. So let's choose New Polygraph, and it asks you to input a title. So I'm going to just call this one Angles, and I'm going to delete it later because this is just to give a brief demonstration. So when you first get into your polygraph builder, it has a grid that has your 16 polygraph suspect options. So whichever one you want, you just click in that box, and over here on the left hand side, if you click the Add Item drop down, one of your choices is image. And when you choose image, it should bring you to your browser. And I have a screenshot already prepared for this demonstration. I'll show you where that came from in a moment. Click open. And as you can see, I have a pair of vertical angles shown here. But it right now doesn't look that great because it's got the graph in the background. So if you want to get rid of that, you just uncheck show axes and grid lines. You can resize your image. You can drag it around a little bit. There is a little bit of blurriness from resolution depending on the image you're importing, so just be aware that you might not want to pick particularly detailed images, but it is an absolute option. And what I would then do is go to each of my other suspects and do the same thing, just import images of other different types of angle pairs I want to include in this activity. The other thing I wanted to briefly show you is just that this particular image came from Kuta Software. This is Kuta's Infinite Geometry program, which I love and highly recommend. That's why I wanted to put this in the video. So if you don't have Kuta Geometry and you're a geometry teacher, I definitely recommend it. You can come up with all these great angle pictures. When you go to your angle relationships option, you have a variety of different angle relationship types that you can include, and it does so much more than angle relationships, but that's where I got this picture that I showed you in the polygraph. Thank you, and I hope that this helps.